Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a slight change from some things we've done in the past. But we saw these four beautiful wagons or lorries or trucks, whatever you call them, and we thought it'd be very nice if, just like the cars, we could bring them in and going too near the microphone, bring them in and ask the drivers to tell us all about their cars. And I've asked them all if they could do a special blowing of the horn when they leave. So I'll see how we get on. I might have to use this door to hear the microphone. Can you hear me from there? And what's your name? Rob. Hi Rob, thanks for bringing this. And what do you do with this truck every day? Just a show pony, as we call it. And how long have you had it? You bought it in flat pack. Do you hear that, everybody? You bought it in flat pack. It's more than flat pack. If I could buy it, roughly how much would it cost me? Priceless. No, I realise it's not for sale. It's a beautiful car. Sorry, lorry. And you've got it in good condition. You presumably keep it indoors somewhere, do you? In a tractor shed. You don't let those dirty tractors get near it. So what size engine is it in here? 12 litre Cummins engine, diesel obviously. And how old is it at the end of the car, the lorry? 1974, so you've kept it. Have you had it all the time? Flat, of course you did, yeah. Sorry, I'm losing it. Well, thank you for bringing it in, and hope you're enjoying the show. I'll go and ask one or two of your friends. Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you very much, Rob. Sorry, couldn't hear it down there. Would you like to tell us about your truck? Thank you very much for bringing it with you. It's a beautiful truck. You call them trucks or lorries? Wagons. You've been round up your circular wagons. I know. That's beautiful. Cummins diesel. Lovely. And here's a deep car transport of Sheffield. That's the funniest story. This chap is a lovely guy, and he said he keeps his lorry in a central heated garage. And I said, what's your house like? He said, well, I live in a caravan. So he looks after the lorry for them. Thank you very much. Oh, that's the laugh of the day. Do you live in a caravan, sir? Do you live in a caravan? Well, make up your mind. You either do or you don't.
We live in a house, and the lorry has to stay outside, which is a bit of a shame. Outside, yeah. About a year, that's all. Yeah, it's basically used for show. Well, there's a shop. That's what retro stuff, 1950s, 60s. Stuff like that. But the vehicle itself is ex-Devon Cornwall 508, used as a hose carrier, and then when it left the fire service, they bought the whack in it, and hence it's used as a kind of shop.
You don't go shopping or let your wife go shopping in it. You do go shopping in it. There's a man after your own heart. He's got a lorry and he goes shopping in it. How about that? Can you imagine seeing him in Tesco's car park? Scunthorpe Tesco's car park, you'll find him. Anyway, thanks ever so much for all these lorries and their drivers and their wives and everything. We're all good sports, and it's nice of you to come to our show and support us and help us raise some money. So they're all going to start up now. Shall I start them like I'm on the runway in the airfield?